So hello everybody, and let's open the first advent calendar today. So I have made it ready to start opening the gifts. Let's have a look inside. And here is the Rosey Life planner, and this is what's inside. It looks so good. It looks so good. Okay, so I'm gonna try and see if I can make this stick. Now, I will be reading something as well. So this is just a card, but it is a beautiful card. And so I'm gonna make use of this in my book. Now let's see if we can find present number 1. See how it has some labels on here? And I will be reading that. So let's find gift number 1, which is this one. And it says, and now I'm gonna have to sound like her. So, hello, lovely. Okay, so it's official. Whoop whoop. Woohoo. It's Christmas. Let your crazy Christmas lady out. Inside, you will find a little sample of what's to come in this year's Advent box. Also enjoy the little bit of Finland from my home to yours. Sit back and relax as we get ready for the next 24 days of Christmas together. Until tomorrow, honey, with loves, always, Linda. So, this is gonna be exciting to see what is in present number 1. I think I'm gonna keep this. I'm definitely gonna keep this. I'm gonna do something with every single one of these papers. Absolutely. This is beautiful. Now let's see. Oh my gosh. And something here. So this was the card. Let's put this down and let's see. So we got a little chocolate. Pink, of course, pink chocolate, yay! And we got some, gingerbread. So it's actually gingerbread tea. That's cool. That is so cool. Gingerbread tea, I've never seen that before. So that is so cool. And then we got some washi and some stickers. So let's open them. And let's have a look at the washi first. So it says the Rosey Life Planner, like always. And I'm gonna try and see, where do we open this? Where does this open? Do I need a scissor or what? Yeah, I'm gonna do my scissors. And I keep bumping into the rack, so I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to keep away from it, but let's see. Okay, so it is definitely Christmassy. Oh, it ripped. Please don't tell me it's going to... No, that's fine. Ooh, let's put it on the back of this Christmas card and see what it's like. So, this is what it's like. And I think it's sort of Rosy Posy-ish, I think. Yeah, I think it's Rosy Posy. I'm not sure. It's so small. Rosy Posy and some Christmas trees, I think. It's really funny. It's real funny. So I'm definitely going to put this somewhere in my book. And it's going in already today. Absolutely. So now let's have a look at the stickers. And let's see. So here is the first sheet, and this is actually some stickers from the, is it from the December kit, or is it just a like the December kit? I don't actually know. It looks exactly the same. It's not the same. These are not in the kit, so these are probably extras that she made, but it has the exact same theme. So it's gonna go perfect. Absolutely beautiful. These do not have any foiling on it, but that's okay. And then the last one, gorgeous. And this is pink, of course. Pink roses. Rosy Life wouldn't be Rosy Life without pink roses. And this is beautiful. So that was number 1. And let's see tomorrow what's in number 2.